if you've been watching the channel for a bit, you probably know that I'm actually building a new PC pretty soon. So I've had a few of the parts in already, obviously. I'm still waiting on a few parts to come in. I still need the case and the power supply and stuff. And I still need a few more fans. But I've had a few parts in. I'm going to be taking a look at these today. The SL120s from Lian Li. These are the 120 ones. I've got some 140 ones coming in as well. So going to be doing an unboxing of these today. These are just the single pack ones. We'll be checking them out, see what's inside the box. And that's pretty much it. I can't really set them up yet. I haven't got the fan hub for them. So we'll just be checking them out today. Nice quick video. So if you enjoy it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. There'll be loads more coming soon. So let's get them open and see what's inside the box. Okay, so here we've got our Uni fans. These are the SL120 fans. I've also got a 2-pack of 140 fans coming. These are there to go on a radiator that I've just bought for my new build. But I've also got 6 of these 120 ones. These are going to go just around the case. So today we're going to unbox these. These are just the single packs, 6 single fans. We're going to unbox them, see what's inside them, and yeah. So the first thing that you've got is actually just a connector. So this is what's special about these fans. But actually, I'll get into that in a second. See what else is in the box. And that's it really. That looks like an extra connector or something. Oh, screws. That's screws. And I also need to unbox another one just to show you kind of what the whole point of these fans is. So they're actually quite heavy for 120 fans. They seem quite well built, especially compared to some of the Corsair fans that I've used in the past. These seem a bit more, bit heavier and more like well built, just in general. So yeah, it's a pretty cool looking fan. It's got RGB on both sides, so no matter which way you put it, the RGB will be seen. If it's front intake or exhaust, you'll be able to see it. You can see there's a metal cap on the front, which is pretty cool. You don't get one on the back though, it's just a shame. You can also see this cable. So the back doesn't look as nice as the front, but it is what it is. They're pretty similar. There's nice rubber grommets, so they're not going to vibrate a lot, which is nice. Quite firm rubber as well, so they definitely won't be vibrating. And I'm sure these are static pressure fans, so these are good for radiators. Yeah, and then obviously the main thing about these is these little connectors here. So whereas with the Corsair fans, I've got I think 8 in my PC right now, so that's 16 cables. You need the power one and the RGB one. Lian Li thought that maybe we can just reduce the number of cables by clipping them together, so you can have up to 4 on one. Connect up to 4 and it'll still be working. So if you connect it however many you need, and then you get the connector that comes with each one, and then you line up the pins with the contact points on the connector. And then boom, these two cables power all the fans, up to 4 fans. So you can have 4 fans with just 2 cables, and then these cables go into a hub which comes with a triple pack or a 2-pack of 140s. So they're on the way, so I can't show you them right now because they've not arrived yet. But they go into the box, and you can have up to 4 per hub, so you can have 16 fans and yeah, and 8 cables. So you can have 8 cables powering 16 fans, whereas if that was Corsair fans and you had 16 fans, you'd have 32 cables. So That's quite a big difference, and it definitely makes a huge difference to the cable management in your PCs. So yeah, it's obviously got one is a lighting one, and then one is a power one. And then from the hub you have a PWM one, so you can control it with your motherboard's fan curves if you want. You have a SATA power cable. You have an RGB, addressable RGB 4-pin header, and there's one more. I think it's a USB header to go onto your motherboard. I will do another video once I get them, showing you what's on the header, what's on the hub, sorry. So you can take a look at that. But yeah, these are just the single packs. Pretty cool fans. I can't wait to get these in. Just need to wait for the rest of them to come in. Should be coming in the next couple of weeks, and yeah, I can start building then. But that's just a quick unboxing, quick look at the SL120s. But yeah, that about wraps it up. I'll have a video coming out as soon as I get them other fans in on how to install them and stuff. This was just a quick unboxing and quick looking at them, checking them out and that. I'll have a full tutorial on how to get them installed on your PC as soon as I can. So keep your eye out for that, and I'll see you in the next one.